This is an appreciation luncheon that we're having for all of our M&O staff, custodians, our maintenance employees. We're here at Morton Elementary School. It's a very small token of our appreciation, but I think they really enjoyed it, and it's a great way for us to start the school year off. Superintendent Ellis addressed the group. We have a number of board trustees, including the president, the vice president.
Most of them don't really get to see any other custodians all year, so this is an opportunity for them to get together, get ready, get prepared for the school year, and they're just so excited.
Appreciate all the guys' hard work for this summer and everything that they've done. Share a good meal, get to know each other, makes everybody get along a little better once they get to know everybody. So I like it. It's a great event.